Hi traders, here's a new video. First of all, the risk warning. Your invested capital might be at risk. Don't trade with money you cannot afford to lose. And this video is not investment advice. So this video is another Candlestick Psychology video based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in my ebook. Get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description. This ebook contains the most important candlestick pattern, chart pattern, and binary option turbo trading concepts, market condition, trend identification, rejection, and candlestick math, and a lot of more concepts which can be applied to any kind of time frame, any kind of financial instrument, and any kind of broker. So get this ebook, you'll find the link in the description, and in the description you will find also the link to the Facebook group. So why did I have done a put here? Before this candle, the previous candle, I have done this put on the previous candle because we have not a strong uptrend here. This is a sign of the EMAs that we got here. Yes, that could be, yes, that price would continue to go down because, because the trend was not established. Yes, that is, I have seen this in the Facebook group. Somebody posted and asked why he why he lost his trade there, and I can only say, if you have ranging market here, you see DNA crossing here, yes, and then the trend started, yes, then you can mostly expect that the trend is not established, and then you can do, depending obviously of the context, yes, a continuation trade. And because this candle here didn't convince me, yes, I will do a call again. So I will do a call. So because this candle here didn't convince me, I understood that we are getting now a pullback from the 20 EMA, yes, because of the pull, yes, because of this uptrend, yes. And if this candle would have been bigger, I would have done a continuation trade. Yes, but in this case, yes, I was expecting, and that was nothing else than this out of the ebook, yes, the highest probability trading setup. You go in a trend continuation as long as you have signed that the trend will continue, and as the trend has finished and you have a sign that there will be a reversal in form of a reversal pattern, you enter into a reversal trade, and that is what I have done here. And you see that we are 3 trades really fast and really easy, only based on those kind of concepts which I have explained in the ebook. So, and that was already. If you like this video, do a like. If you didn't subscribe, subscribe to my channel. And if you have something to say, drop me a line in the comment section. So I would say stay safe and bye-bye.